This series of videos is intended to assist users in hardware installation, setup, configuration, and use of the DeltaTrak Model 15066 Thermal Trace Thermal Imaging System. The thermal imaging system can be deployed as a permanent wall or ceiling solution or as a mobile solution. This video will focus on the necessary steps to complete the thermal imaging system mobile solution hardware setup. The mobile solution hardware setup requires installation of the mobile stand, which is covered in a separate video. Remove the mounting screws from the video camera bracket and position the video camera on top of the bracket. Then tighten the screws to the holes in the base of the camera to the threaded holes in the bracket. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the small screw which controls the tilt angle of the camera. Tilt the camera upwards to allow the installation of the forward screw through the camera base to the bracket. Loosen the tilt angle screw to reposition the camera. Then tighten the screw to lock the camera in place. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the extension pole. Feed the camera connector assembly through the top of the cap. Attach one end of the Ethernet cable to the corresponding connection on the video camera cable connector. Connect the end of the power cable to the video camera connector assembly as well. Add the HDMI cable to the cable grouping. Then locate the loose ends of the cable group and feed the cables down the opening of the extension pole and under the plastic cap. Extract the loose ends of the cable grouping through the bottom of the extension pole. This will allow you to feed the remaining portion of the cable group through the top of the pole. When the cable group has been fully inserted through the extension pole, affix the plastic cap to the top of the pole. Locate the display hook bracket and attach the bracket to the back of the display using 4 screws and washers. Make sure the flat opening is at the bottom of the display and the angled opening is at the top. Use an Allen wrench to adjust the display tilt angle to the desired position. Insert the spacer ring into the bottom of the display hook hole. Position the display onto the display holder post. If necessary, use an Allen wrench to make adjustments to the display height and angle. Place the keyboard and mouse on the keyboard tray. Loosen the knob to adjust the position of the computer retaining plate and position the computer into the computer tray. Slide the retaining plate forward and then tighten the knob. Connect the mouse and keyboard to the USB ports. Coil up the extra cable lengths and position the extra cable behind the computer. Connect the end of the HDMI cable coming out of the top of the extension pole to the display, and the other end from the bottom of the extension pole to the computer. Locate the end of the Ethernet cable coming from the bottom of the extension pole, connected to the LAN 1 Ethernet port on the computer. The last remaining cable coming from the bottom of the extension pole is the video camera power cable. Connect the power cable to the power supply and plug the cable into a surge protector power outlet. Connect the power cord from the display to the surge protector. Finally, connect the power cable to the computer power supply. Then make connections to the computer and the surge protector. The black body mobile hardware installation and the thermal imaging system configuration and use will be shown in separate videos.